Hi guys, good morning. God bless you. Chindi, what is it? Joanna has just been acting up lately. Um, Hi guys, good morning. God bless you. Chindi, what is it? Joanna has just been acting up lately. Um, Baby is sucking. This is actually the first day at home, as we have slept and wake up the next day. Yesterday was just helter skelter. My church member came around to assist us. She bathed my baby. She bathed me. She massaged me. I could not even capture any moment. Everything was just back, 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 so fast. She even made pepper soup for me and pounded yam for me to eat that yesterday evening. Because all these things she's doing it because my mother will come by Sunday, and I have sister-in-laws, but they were yet to come. So it was after all this whole process, when I was about to start eating, that one of my sister-in-law came. So she now slept with us. So she's still around this morning. She wants to do one or two things and bathe the baby and bathe me and massage me before she leaves. So today is Saturday. I came back yesterday being Friday. I gave birth on Thursday morning. So yeah, this is more like an update how our postpartum journey has been so far. Okay, I just thank God. The first night at home was not really bad, but the stress of trying to wake up and breastfeed the baby. See, son is still louching on the breast. So that's what's up lately for now. Joanne is just doing like a baby lately, and I understand. I will talk to you guys later. Bye bye.
So, guys, this is me on my journey to, snapping back. This is my belly, what it looks like 3 days after delivery. And we're not exactly 3 days, 2 days plus, because this is more like the third day. You see, 2 days plus, yeah. This is what it looks like. And of course, for some people, they have giddles, but I myself, I use wrapper. There's it. Both with my first daughter, with my second daughter. That's my first child and second child. This is what I've been doing. And then, of course, be taking the hot pepper soup, which is meant for the omugo, and as well, pressing my tummy. What is it called again? Yeah, taking hot water as though I'm drinking normal water. Like my life was just all about hotness, 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 just to help myself because I needed to snap back. So that's the magic I use for myself. This, you see, I tie it myself. Sometimes I ask my husband to help me make it tighter. But mind you that I tie this while eating. I carry it while eating. I also carry it sometimes at night to sleep. Yes, this is what I pass through to help myself. So I bet some of you might be wondering, what exactly am I doing? There is no magic. This is what I do for myself to help myself as well. So that's basically more like it. And because I'm always indoors for this period of 3 months, or sometimes even if I'm to go outside, I'll end up losing it out. But once I'm indoors, this is what I do to help myself. Okay, I've not tried Gidu. at all. Ever since having my first two child, is what I've been doing, and it has been helpful. Joining with constantly taking hot water, avoiding cold water, even though I I used to be tempted to take cold water and the rest of it. Yeah. And then of course taking the pepper soup made for, you know, nursing mothers. These three things, and also pressing my belly.
Baby's eating.
So everybody, this is me and my journey to snapping back. This is hot water. I used to dilute it a little bit so it won't be too hot. But just imagine taking hot tea. That's how it feels like. I used to use this cup. This is a special cup for it. Because if I remain, I used to cover, even though it does not retain hotness, but that's how I've been doing it. If I want to drink again, I add, I top up a little bit of hot water. So this is how I do it, even with the belly still tight. Taking hot water. This probably I've finished having my bath. Okay, yeah, and about to eat food. It's not easy. My country people, this is where we are. This is called, what is it called? Is it pepper soup or what? I don't know how they call it, but you understand. This is meant for pregnant women that just finished giving birth. It helps to flush away